Here I have fake Oppo, and let me show you how to backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, from your home screen, select the settings. Here you have to tap on Reset, Backup and Reset under the Personal, and now you have to select Backup My Data. Here you have to enable this mode by tapping on this switcher. And now it's activated. Let's go back to the previous window. And here you have to go to Backup Account, and you have to add your account, your email account. Just give your device a while, and it's time to log in with your Google account. And if you don't have one, you just have to create your Google account. So pick the preferable option and log in or create an account. Then you have to simply backup your data. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.